Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are taking you along on our amazing 2-day adventure in Gatlinburg and the Great Smoky Mountains. From scenic drives, cozy stays, fun hikes, bear sightseeing and magical sunset. It's a trip packed with beautiful memories. Let's get started. We stayed right in Gatlinburg because we wanted easy access both to the town and the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Our hotel room was on the 10th floor, and just look at the view from our balcony. We had a perfect view of both the city and the surrounding mountains. It was absolutely peaceful, especially in the morning and in the evenings. Next day morning, we headed out for breakfast. It is one of the Gatlinburg most famous spots, the log cabin pancake house. The interior was exactly what you would expect, cozy, old school cabin vibes. Here's what we ordered. The food was good, definitely home style. It's a local owned spot and it has its own charm. After breakfast, we headed to one of my favorite spots, the iconic Great Smoky Mountains National Park signboard. Of course, we had to stop for pictures, but what made this even better was discovering a beautiful walking path nearby. If you're not looking for a strenuous hike, this shaded path with stream running alongside is perfect for a peaceful stroll. Next, we stopped at the visitor center, did a little souvenir shopping, and got some maps and tips about the park. We planned to hike some of the waterfalls, but unfortunately, parking was a big issue. Every parking lot near trailheads was full. We spent quite some time driving around hoping to find a spot, but no luck. So we decided to change plans and head to Cades Cove. Before that, we grabbed lunch back in Gatlinburg. Because many YouTubers had warned, there's nowhere to stop for food along the Cades Cove drive. Trust me, this tip is a lifesaver. Eat before you go. The Cades Cove drive is a beautiful single-lane loop and you have to follow the flow. There are multiple pull-off points where you can stop, take in the scenery, explore historic churches and old houses, and just soak it all in. As you make your way around the Cades Cove loop, about halfway through you will reach the Cades Cove Visitor Center, right at the heart of the historic cable mill area. Here, you can explore the beautifully preserved cable grits mill, the historic grey cable house, and the old corn crib.
And the grindstone turns growing up. So he mimicked this one like there's in Carter County, and he put it on a bucket.
Nearby, you'll spot an old wagon resting next to the crib, as well as the classic structure like the barn. The smokehouse and the striking cantilever barn that defines this region's history. Abrams Creek quietly winds its way through, adding to the peaceful, timeless atmosphere of Cades Cove. Near the visitor center, we saw something strange. a dead crow hanging near the trail. It's not random. Park rangers hang crow effigies to scare off aggressive crows that have become too used to people and food. Seeing a dead crow wants them to stay away, but the best way to help. And guess what? We spotted a bear chilling up in a tree. Keep your eyes open because Cades Cove is famous for bear sightseeing. Later that evening, we headed to Anakeesta, and this was definitely one of the highlights of our trip. We chose a skylift chair to go up, and those views were just breathtaking. Anakeesta in Gatlinburg is honestly incredible. Not only is there great food, but there is also so much to do. From the mountain views and treetop walks to zip lining and shops. It's really a full experience, not just a quick stop. Once we reached the top, the kids couldn't wait to try the Hellbender mountain coaster. We all rode the Hellbender and it was so much fun. We had to go again. The best part, the wait time was super reasonable, only 15 minutes, which made the whole experience even better. For dinner, we sat down as the sun was setting. It was absolutely magical. Golden hour, great food, laughter, and the Smoky Mountains in the background. Wish I could have frozen that moment forever. Before we left, we walked across the Treetop Skywalk, a stunning hanging bridge that's actually the longest tree-based skywalk in North America at 880 feet long. The sunset views were just beautiful, and can you believe it? We spotted another bear below us. That made 3 bears in one day. They don't call this bear country for nothing. We ended the day with some ice cream, the perfect treat after such a fun-filled adventure. And on the way back down, the city lights were absolutely beautiful, a perfect ending to an unforgettable day. Next day, early morning hike to Alum Cave Trail. We woke up super early the next morning to hike the Alum Cave Trail. And trust me, it was needed because parking filled up fast. Even by 7:20 a.m., we found parking about 0.7 miles away from the trailhead. The first part of the hike is about 1.4 mile Arc Rock. This is a shaded, peaceful, and absolutely beautiful with streams running right alongside the trail. It's a very easy and family-friendly hike up to Arc Rock, and we saw plenty of families enjoying the walk from there. The trail continues towards Alum Cave if you are looking for a longer, more adventure hike. The second part from Arc Rock to Alum Cave gets tougher. It's an intermediate hike, but it's totally doable if you pace yourself. The views are incredibly and absolutely worth the effort. Including the extra walk to and from the parking lot, we ended up hiking about 6.2 miles in total. It was very tiring but so rewarding. The kids were troopers. After that tough hike, we headed to Split Rail Eats for lunch. I ordered their shrimp and grits, and let me tell you, it was absolutely delicious. After resting up, we headed out to explore Gatlinburg, one of our absolute favorite towns. There's just so much to do here. Honestly, we could have easily spent another full day, and the kids were definitely asking for it. Gatlinburg is packed with family-friendly activities, and it's just a super fun town overall. Kids were excited to try Crazy Mason Milkshake Bar. They definitely earned it after the hike. Ivanka got the crazy pop of color and Advik went for no Oreo Dinery cheesecake. And the best part? You get to keep the mason jar as a souvenir. The milkshakes were absolutely delicious. So yummy. Honestly, all the calories we burnt on the hike, we probably doubled with these milkshakes. But hey, who's counting calories on vacation, right? Next up, my favorite, moonshine tasting. If you're in Gatlinburg, moonshine tasting is a must, and of course, who can't live without trying some grits? It's a southern classic. There were so many flavors of moonshine to try. It was a blast. And surprisingly, I wasn't tipsy by the end. After that, we did a little shopping, got to pick some souvenirs. We had dinner at Smith & Sons. And the vibe of this place was so cool. The food was fantastic. I really wanted to visit this cute spot called the Village. But by the time we got, it was very late and all the stores were closed. Still, it was nice to see the place. It was a perfect way to end the day. Great treats, happy kids, and so many fun memories. Honestly, Gatlinburg never disappoints. This was our 2-day trip and we went in April for Easter break. The weather was perfect. A few tips for your trip. Parking in Gatlinburg town is around $20 to $25, but there's a trolley that runs around the town for free, which is super convenient. However, parking at the hiking spots can be tricky. Spots fill up fast, and local shuttles to these areas are available, but they are pricey. If you're planning to hike, definitely plan for an early start to get a good spot. I hope you all enjoyed my video. Thanks for tagging along on our Smoky Mountain adventure. Until next time, take care and bye for now.